Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Last of Us Part 1 not opening. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up File Explorer and go to C drive, users folder, username. If you don't know where username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see where username and double click on it and double click on saved games. Last of Us Part 1 users random numbers. Right click on the screen info.cfg and select delete option. After deleting it, this will be recreated after opening the game guys. This file contains all your graphic settings, so deleting this can fix the not opening problem. After deleting it, go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it and expand the display adapter section and right click on the integrated graphics guys and select the disable device option. And after doing this, the whenever you open the game will force to use the dedicated GPU. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it, expand the display adapter section, and here is a dedicated graphics card. Just open up the browser and search your graphics card brand name. In my case, NVIDIA driver download, press enter, select the first site. In driver search, you just need to type your model name guys. In my case, RTX 5080, including your Windows, you just need to type. In my case, Windows 11, RTX 5080, and then just gonna type 5080 and Windows 11. And I got two options as you can see. One is for laptop users and another one is for PC users. I'm gonna select the PC one. Now select the find option. And after getting searched, you just need to scroll down under GeForce Game Ready driver, select the view option, select the download option. After getting download done, select the downloaded driver and install it. Select the NVIDIA graphics driver only and select accept and continue. Select this custom option and select next. Check this perform a clean installation and select the next option and continue this installation. After this installation done, you just need to restart your PC and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, method 3, you just need to increase virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type sysdm.cpl and click on OK. And go to advanced option under performance, select settings. Go to advanced option. Under virtual memory, select change option. Uncheck this automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, select the C drive and select custom size and go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In installed physical memory, you can able to see how much RAM installed on our PC. In my case, 32. After knowing that, just check my video description for these values. Depends on the RAM you have. Copy and paste the installer size and maximum size. In my case, 32 GB RAM. I'm copying the 32 GB RAM value over here. Maximum size, paste in. After pasting both values, select the set option. The value should be set at under paging file size. Select OK option, select apply and OK, select OK. Check the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to make sure no overlay application has been running guys. For example, Discord or GeForce Experience like programs, you just need to right click and select quit and then launch the game. And this should fix your problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.